Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanation of applied sociology. Sociology is the study of people, groups, and social systems. Sociology helps us understand how society influences our thoughts, behaviors, and opportunities. Although sociology is considered a social science based on scientific methods of observation and analysis, not all sociologists are researchers or professors. Many apply their sociological education and knowledge in community work, public policy development, business, and social problem solving, just to name a few general areas. To help us understand the wide scope of sociology, it helps us to categorize the discipline into three main types: pure sociology, applied sociology, and public sociology. Today, our focus is on applied sociology. Applied sociology is all about using sociological knowledge to solve problems. For example, let's say a community has a spike in high school dropout rates. An applied sociologist might study the issue, look at patterns like income, unemployment, and school resources, and then work with schools or city officials to improve the situation. Applied sociology is useful for solving workplace and community issues in settings such as hospitals, nonprofit organizations, places of employment, and even tech companies. Wherever someone is using sociology to improve systems, communication, or services, that is applied sociology. Jane Addams is one of the best examples of an early applied sociologist. He co-founded Hull House in Chicago in 1889, a community center that supported immigrants, women, and working families. Addams used research and observation to understand social problems like poverty, poor housing, and child labor, and then turned that knowledge into action. Her work blended sociology with social reform, showing how studying society could lead to meaningful change in people's lives. In many ways, she helped lay the foundation for both social work and applied sociology, proving that sociology isn't just about theory, it's about improving lives. This type of work was emphasized by sociologist Lester Frank Ward, the first president of the American Sociological Association in 1905, who believed that sociology should help solve social problems. Applied sociologists usually work outside of academia and hold many different occupational titles in a wide variety of fields and careers. The following are a few examples. Policy analyst. Now, these people research and evaluate social programs and laws. Community development specialists help improve local services and resources. Market researchers. These study consumer behavior and social trends for businesses. Human resources specialists. They apply sociological insight to workplace culture and diversity. Program evaluators. They measure the success of social, educational, or health initiatives. Criminal justice or corrections consultants. They analyze crime patterns and reform efforts. Urban planner or housing specialist. These people examine community needs and social impact. Education or youth service coordinator. They develop programs that support learning and inclusion. In addition, quite a few sociology majors go on to become social workers, counselors, and therapists. They lean in on their sociology education to help individuals, groups, and communities. Applied sociology shows that understanding society isn't enough. We can use that knowledge to make a difference. It reminds us that sociology is most powerful when it moves beyond theory and helps create real, lasting social change. For more information on careers in sociology, go to the American Sociological Association website. And for more information on applied sociology and public sociology, visit the Association for Applied and Clinical Sociology website. And that makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.